Alright, in today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to install a 10 ball stack of red 42-inch ornaments. So, come over here. We went ahead and did a little bit of the process, but nothing too much. This is all the hardware that you're going to get. You get the base, the pole, the bottom collar, and the middle collar. Now, just how I've got it set up here. The bottom collar, you want not the very bottom, not the middle, a little below. Then you also want the middle collar, you want it about 6 to 8 inches from the top. And go ahead and set bolt them in just to hold it. Then you're going to take 5 of your ornaments, bottoms. The bottom ball consists of an ornament that'll have a base attached to it. And you'll have a D-ring coming out of the back. This is what I'm referring to when I say a D-ring. Go ahead, put 5 of them around this in a circle. After you've got in a circle, go ahead and attach the chain as a carabiner. Just go ahead, put that on there. They should have a little bit of slack in them right now. Once you've got 5, they're all hooked up with the carabiners and chains. Go ahead and loosen this set bolt up. Pick it up all the way. Tighten it up. Now you notice your chains, they're fairly tight. If you have any that aren't tight, go ahead and pull them out until they are tight. Alright, the reason that we're only starting with 5 instead of putting the 6th one where I'm sanding at is because we put our middle balls on here, we're still gonna have a way to get to our top ball. We'll show you guys that just in a second. Alright, and for this task, I would recommend 2 people. If you want a third, that's fine. 2 is really all you need. Go ahead and pick this up. I'd have one guy pick up an ornament, and the other guy guide him. So as he picks it up, I'm gonna help him. Make sure he gets above the ornament. Then we're gonna gently set it on there. He's gonna let me lean it back a little bit. We're gonna move it as needed. And our goal is to get this attached to here. So we're just gonna keep on moving back. Until this carabiner can get around it. This can be a little annoying at first. Just take your time with it. It should hang like that. Let go of it, Eli. It's gonna stay right there. Now we'll do it again. Right here. And now they should be touching each other right here. And that's going to give an extra incentive so they hold each other and they won't be able to go off anywhere because of your clip. Next, this will be the hardest part. I would recommend getting 2 fairly strong guys for this. You're going to put this top ball on here. The top ball has a little collar that sits on the very top of this pole with a set bolt in it. So we'll do the same thing we did here. I'll have my worker Eli, he's gonna pick it up. I'm gonna grab the collar and we're gonna guide it over here. I'm gonna get it set on here and then we're gonna pick it up and then it slides on there and set bolt. this. Alright, let go of the deal. Alright. Now you're almost finished. So all that we're going to do is we're going to kind of go back to step 1 and step 2. Step 1, you'll get a bottom ball. Go ahead, Eli. This can be a little bit harder because now you can't walk in here. You'll have to try to get it as close as you can. Just want to reach in, grab your carabiner clip. Clip it in. Like I said, it's a little loose. So pull it tight. All right, now we're going to add our last middle ball. This is the hardest ornament to put on here, just because you just about got to reach all the way in there and try to maneuver it. But you can get this one on here. Now your stack's ready to go. Another thing to say, if you're curious about what we're using here, we have an impact drill here, attachment. This is just a 1/2-inch socket. In that, all our bolts that we ever send to anybody are 5/16-inch bolts. So that means a 1/2 inch is the only size you'll need to use. I'd recommend the impact for this. If you don't have an impact, a wrench works, a ratchet works, anything that can get a socket or turn that bolt. I'd recommend this. All right. That should be everything in the video, everything I have to show you guys. Hope this video is helpful, and have a good day.